and welcome to April's Reviews. Today I'm doing these mosquito repellent bracelets by Self Balance. There are 12 of them in here, 4 different colors. It says it lasts for 10 days, so 240 hours. So when you get done taking these off and you're ready to go back inside, you just simply put them back in the bag to keep them fresh. And let's see, it's November here and I still have tons of these guys. Mosquitoes flying all around my house. So I'm going to pause the video and open the bag. Okay, I've opened the bag and there are the bracelets. I'm going to put mine on. They come with the one side that looks like that, and the other side has holes like a belt. Okay, I have placed mine on my wrist, very easily to adjust for smaller wrists. You can also put it around your ankle. Let me see here. Let's see what these guys think of it. Oh, I have one by me. Well, they all disappeared. Oh, come on. Well, I think I might be here a while trying to get these guys to suck on my blood. They feel nice. They're nice and soft. I don't know why my camera keeps blurring out like that. Okay, and if you like these, they sell them on Amazon.com. I will provide the link below.